Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need up-to-date devices and the same Apple ID sign-in status where required. Once confirmed, start the FaceTime call. Tap the Share Play or Screen Share button. On iPhone, it's in the call controls. On Mac, use the menu bar Share icon. Make sure you grant screen recording permission if prompted, because the system blocks capture until you allow it. Also check Do Not Disturb isn't restricting notifications. Once allowed, and the button is active, proceed to choose what to share. Once you tap Share, pick exactly what to broadcast. Whole screen, a single app, or a browser tab. This controls privacy and bandwidth. If you want app audio, enable microphone or app audio sharing. Otherwise, participants only see visuals. Make sure the app you share is ready and in front so the system captures the intended window. If you plan to stream video or a presentation, close background apps to improve performance and make transitions smoother for viewers. When you're done, stop sharing via the on-screen stop control. Confirm the red sharing badge disappears so privacy resumes. If participants report a blank screen or frozen frames, first check Wi-Fi strength and FaceTime version on both ends, then verify camera, mic, and screen record permissions. If problems persist, restart FaceTime, toggle Share Play off and on, or reboot the device. These steps clear temporary blocks. Finally, make sure everyone's software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.